tell us a bit about where you were born and your history with the area?
I was born in Llangollen and I live around Llangollen, Llantysilio, Gwyn, and then I moved to Groesford Marley behind Bodl and Castle, and then my parents retired to Anglesey and this is where I live now.
Thumb on your head, pinky in the air, slide the top of the T-grip to be the height of your pinky.
How am I looking?
You looking good? Yeah.
There you go.
It's
not
tough, doesn't it?
spot on your height, but it'll be fine.
With the leash, you attach yourself, okay, and it's Velcro. If you're going to kick a football, which foot would you use? Yeah? So you want to wrap it around your ankle, nice and tight, and the toggle needs to face away from you.
So, what made you move back here?
I was living in Manchester and London in an office job, and I was working 18-hour days in very high-pressured environments, and I'd been doing that for 16 years and I missed home. I missed the sea, I missed the mountains, and I just thought there was more to life than working in an office. And I wanted a slow pace of life, I wanted to reconnect with nature, and I just wanted to come home, and I moved back to Anglesey, and that's where I live, and now I set up a stand-up paddleboarding business.
So you get the board onto the water, and you want to place the paddle across the board, and then you hop on with your knees. Okay? Now you're on the board. And then for forward paddling, you place your hand by the blade, upper hand on the shaft, and go nose.
So what's so special about North Wales?
I'm very passionate about North Wales. I love the marine life, I love the bird life, I love the views, because we've got views of Snowdonia here on Anglesey, we've got such a fascinating coastline. I love the Welsh folklore, and I love the weather too.